Hello again. It's been a mild start to the day today, and those mild conditions by day and by night are going to continue for the rest of this week. What's happening today is we've got this weather front across the north and the west producing some rain, but if you look at those isobars, they really are quite tightly packed. So wherever you are today, it's going to be windy, strong gusts of wind. So the rain continues across the northwest. We've got a bit more cloud in the west, thick enough here and there for some patchy drizzle. We will see some holes develop in the cloud and some sunny intervals come out, and these are the strengths of the wind gusts. So it gives you a rough idea, 50 to 60 miles an hour, for example, across the northwest, but even inland, we're looking at gusty winds. Temperatures 13 to about 16 degrees. As we head on through the evening and overnight, our band of persistent rain in Scotland sinks a little bit farther south and it moves across Northern Ireland before retreating northwards once again. For England and for Wales, there'll be a lot of cloud around, some hill fog, some murky conditions and some patchy drizzle in the west. But it is going to be an extremely mild night for the time of year, with some of us seeing our overnight lows as 16 degrees. Into Friday then, we still do have our weather front across the north and the west. It slips a little bit farther south. It's still going to be windy and the wind's still coming from that mild direction from the mid-Atlantic, pulling the milder conditions or warm conditions for some across our shores. So we start off on Friday once again on a murky note. There'll be some low clouds, some patchy drizzle in the west, some hill fog. Our rain sinks a little bit further south out of the Outer Hebrides and also out of western parts of Northern Ireland. And our temperatures 13 to 17 degrees, but still quite gusty winds. On Saturday, we start off once again with some low clouds, some mist and some fog. That will slowly lift, and for many of us, it's going to be a dry day. Our weather front continues to edge northwards across Scotland and eventually out of Northern Ireland. Temperatures 11 to 18 degrees, and it's not going to be as windy. On Sunday is similar in the sense that we start off on a murky note with low clouds, some mist and some fog. It's not going to be as windy. For most, it is going to be a dry day, a weather front being kept at bay in the Atlantic. And these are our temperatures. We're looking at 11 in the north to 16 in the south.